D, and I'm gonna teach you how to spell.
Is this thing on?
If you don't know how to spell, I'm gonna
Of
teach
course
you.
it's on. YouTube. What's good? It's your boy D and I'm back with another exclusive video.
This is exclusive, yeah.
Listen, man, I'm with my boy. What's up?
Okay.
I'm with my boy Stefan. He's in the building, man. Today, man, we're about to do something exclusive.
Exclusive, yeah.
We're gonna find something fun to do today. I haven't posted any video in a little minute.
Why are you gay?
Know what it is yet? But y'all stay tuned, man, because it's about to get lit. We're about to rent a kayak. I know you guys see the boat right here. But now, dog, we're about to rent a big kayak for both of us, man. Listen, Stefan, how do you feel about this, man?
Feeling good, you know. First time out. Now you see ocean, you know. Yeah.
So, in Jamaica, we have a saying, if you're swimming in the sea, are you a part of what they have in the sea? We repeat. In Jamaica, we have a saying that says that if you're in the sea, you're a part of the sea. So are you a part of what's in the sea?
Why are you gay?
No, not really.
No, man, Freddy, I'll say what.
Real cute. Hello, can you bust us?
And so we're putting on.
Let's see if you know how to spell. Smile and spell the
Yo,
girl.
me I wonder, oh, you put on this.
That spell.
Me I say if I junk, me junk.
Try another one. B-O-Y.
Look, bro, you have to go so. You have to move it so. And then we'll go forward. Yeah.
That spell boy, where are the boys?
Easy. Come in, I first time ever do this, but you have to just think. See? We are move forward so.
That spells boy.
Bigger and better, bigger and better, girl. All you need is unconditional love from the heart, from the.
Guys, so we stopped and got us some food up. My food right there, so. Active. Yo, tell the people about going up.
Yeah, man, we just, you know, go and chill and thing, you know. Yeah, man, that's the spot, man.
Done sort. Reach there over this.
Active, man, you know.